Hello, OJ right here, ready to kick some butt. Are you there? Okay, you know, the strength training section, and basically just put some load on your body. It's really good to fire up your hormones in your body and make you stronger and better. So it's a simple routine with a lot of techniques that you have to walk with, but I will guide you carefully along the way. But first, I like a little warmed up, okay? Give me just some light squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop the shoulder, 9, and stay right here. 1, 2. Loosen up the calves. When you do that, you know that your inner groins also stretch out. And don't do that. I don't want any heights. I want it just lifting your knee, okay? Yeah. Okay, now turn 1, 2, breathing, 3, and 4. Give me a little gentle swing. So what is it good for? Alertness. Get your body conscious, aware of the movement. Okay, first movement, having the leg. So this is strength training. In order to put more load on your leg, of course, unless you can't do it, then you can skip this. But you can always get this at the hotel room, right? Put it up here. If your shoulder is tight or your back is tight, then keep it like that. But if you can, add more spice to life. Down here, give me 10 times. 1, 2, 3, slowly and surely. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can feel the burn. 9 and 10. Yeah. 1, good. 2, in case you got no more power left, dump 1. Yeah. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Of course, if you do, keep both. Try not to rest too long unless you have to. I say 10 seconds, but I'm going to do it right now. This one's crawl and come back. You activate the chest muscle and your stomach muscle and the leg muscles, the front parts at the same time. Up, push up, 1. Walk back, boom, 2. Up, 3. That can do 2. 4. 5. And remember, don't tense your neck. 6. 7. 8. Now you notice how you drag your leg back with your lower abdominals. Not just like that. Bring it back. You're walking your lower back at the same time. 9, last one, and 10. Okay, I lie. I need a short break. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 10 seconds. We got 5 more. We got 4 more. 3 more. 2, upper back, okay? There's always that balance. Remember, total body, right here. Straight. 1, 2, 3. Can you see the angle? See how my upper back is activated? See how my lower glute is supporting my upper back? Don't round your back. Let's do it together. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm in the mood. Let's give me 5 more. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop that chest out. Kaboom. Done. All right. Mission completed. Now, it's important to stretch down. We did the warm up. We did the pump. Just a simple one. First, drop the heart rate. 10 seconds again. 3, 4, 5. Loosen up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's a Kung Fu 丁字腳 stretch. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add a bit of dynamic to it. 1, 2, And 3, other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, and 3. How about little calves right here? 小腿. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And change. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, tricep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, most important one. Hamstring lower back. Let it hang. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and take it down. Lower back, thigh. And mission completed.